Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. This is the weekly chart. We are seeing a dragonfly. We're seeing a dragonfly. Actually, let me get yep, okay. I have my marker ready. We're seeing a dragonfly on the weekly. This dragonfly candlestick is a possible sign of a reversal of trend. So it's a very positive sign. However, it needs to close as a dragonfly, right? So this is possibly a good sign. We just have number one, this week needs to close above 36,000. Okay, for this signal to be valid, and then the following week needs to be positive and green to confirm the reversal, to confirm the dragonfly uh, reversal signal. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for essentially a hold above the 100 daily moving average, which we're above that level right now, barely, but we're above it. And if we can hold that $36,000 level, then we do have a very good chance to turn this into a reversal. And if we can turn this into a reversal and have a positive green week next week, then we could be moving higher, testing this 41,000 trend line, resistance line. And if we break out, we could then be going higher. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. The weekly looks good. Stochastics just waiting for Bitcoin to get out of bed and decide it wants to move. And 37 RSI, 37 RSI. It's a bit on the weak side, but of course we know that already. Um, yeah, so that is the weekly on Bitcoin. The daily, let's see here, daily is looking very similar. Look at that, same type of dragonfly uh, candlestick on the daily. Now again, we have 5 hours. We need to close above 36,000 on the daily to confirm that this is a dragonfly candlestick, because if it goes back down, it changes the candlestick, and then therefore it doesn't become a reversal signal any longer. So we need to stay above 36, close out the day today at 36,000. And then we need a confirmation candlestick after this dragonfly to confirm the reversal, which would be a green day above 36,000 tomorrow. Okay, a green day above 36,000 tomorrow. Now, what's going to complicate the situation is the Fed meeting. The Fed meeting that's going to take place tomorrow and Wednesday. Wednesday, they're going to be releasing their plans for the future, and if they release a plan, if they say that they're going to have a plan to raise interest rates significantly, it's going to have an effect on the recovery of Bitcoin, and we could be going lower. Okay. However, I think a lot of it is priced in. I don't think the Fed is going to. I don't think the Fed is going to raise rates significantly. They might raise it 1/4%, or maybe 1/4% in a few months, and then 1/4% later in the next few months. That would be pretty conservative. As long as they're conservative in their outlook, then Bitcoin should rally, and the markets should rally. If they're aggressive with high interest rate changes quickly, then we're going to see problems in the market. There's going to be volatility, weakness, and it's going to take a long time for the market to recover, create a bottom, and push higher. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Critical meetings coming up this week, Tuesday, Wednesday. Remember, this can change. This reversal signal is temporary so far right now, but that's what I'm going to be looking for. Basically, to make it simple, to hold above 36,000. We do see here we are showing a little bit of accumulation lately here. Volumes are coming in. People are purchasing slowly, but we're still negative on the volume oscillator. This could change. We need to hold above the previous low here at minus 700. Okay, we're at minus 400. So we need to remain higher so we can put in a higher low on the oscillator and move up towards that midline and go positive, right? The stochastics down here at the bottom starting to cross over right now, and if we can hold on to this and move higher in price, stochastics will show an impulse to the upside. Okay, the RSI, we are oversold right now, 26, and it also means that we're weak, very weak. We can see that the obvious trend is a bear trend. We're under the bear cloud, the red bear cloud on the chart. And so this is very important. This right now, the next few days and the next few weeks, very important for Bitcoin and the entire market. Now, if Bitcoin does start to recover, you can expect in the altcoins there's going to be a lot of explosivity in the altcoins. A lot of the altcoins will be putting in 5, 10, 15, and maybe even 20% rallies. So watch your favorite altcoin projects. If Bitcoin does stay stable, then a lot of the altcoins will rally. Okay. Now remember, any type of reversal here does not mean that it's a reversal in the macro trend. It just means that it's a possible reversal in the macro trend, and that we should expect just a minor push to the upside and consider it temporary until we see price action and evidence that is to the contrary. We need to see evidence of price action that is showing on the macro level Bitcoin is going into a reversal, and we're not going to see that until we get probably, up here where we had the last breakdown around 51. Okay, around 51, then we can talk about a reversal, or maybe at the very least 44,000 here where we broke down. Okay, we do need to break above 41, 42 to break the upper resistance line. But remember, we're still under the 100 and 200 daily moving averages, and so we're going to be weak. We're going to be weak for a little bit. We're going to maybe possibly rally here, but again, don't confuse that with a reversal in long-term trend. It will be temporary. So use proper risk management and expect some kind of a pullback and reversal before going higher and changing the long-term trend. Okay, thank you for watching, friends. The altcoins, well, you can see they're all red, but they are making the same type of move that Bitcoin is. It's just the altcoins were destroyed, and so now they're moving back, trying to gain back those losses, but they're still in the red. Okay, still in the red. Thank you for watching, friends. Please click like. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please let me know. Do you think this is the bottom? Do you think that we're reversing here? Do you think, what projects are you looking at to purchase? What altcoins do you like? Please let me know. Comment in the section below. But please remember to click like. It helps others see the video. It helps my channel. Thank you so much for your time, and we will see you next time. Remember, rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, make some money.